Hi, it's Stacy here from Printcess and Puddin design team. I have a day off today, so I'm just going to have a bit of me time, and I'm going to whip my twin nephews up a super cute Easter bag to give them for Easter. I like to give books as well, so these are perfect for me to be able to buy them a nice little book each and a couple of little chocolate Easter eggs and give them to them in this cute bag that they can then reuse every year. I've just finished cutting their names out of this super cute sparkle HTV, so I'm just going to press the eject button and grab my mat. I like to trim around my designs whenever I do a cut, so that way I can use the offcuts for some other pieces. So I've got one name on this piece and one name just here. Okay, so here's my piece that I've cut. I've unloaded it off my mat and I'm going to start weeding. And that's where this tool, which is only $2 from the Printcess and Puddin shop, comes in really handy. So I've already tried to start peeling this and I couldn't get it started, so what I'm going to use is this pointy end, and I'm going to stick it in and give it a flick. You can see I've pulled up a little section. It doesn't matter if I damage this part because I'm going to throw it away. So there we go. How much easier is that? So here we go. There we go, there's his name. And I'm just going to, using my handy dandy poker, flick out the centre of the A and the E. And there we go, it's ready to have a transfer sheet applied to and iron onto the bag. Okay, so here's my design all cut and weeded, and I'm going to apply the heat transfer sheet. So I'm just going to place that on top and give it a press. Then I'm just going to flip it over and peel off the backing. Okay, so my backing's been removed now, and I'm just going to flip it over. I've decided to put my name just here on the bunny's chest, so I'm going to now use my quilting ruler to make sure that I have the name centered on the bag as well as straight. So I just measure each side and have my ruler across the base as well to be straight. Okay, so I've got my name placed where I'm happy, so now I'm just going to place a sheet of baking paper over the top, and I'm going to press with my iron, making sure I don't move it around. Press for probably 5 to 10 seconds. I usually use both hands and a lot of my body weight to get a good press. Take the baking paper off and then have a test peel to see whether, look at that. And that's the thing I love about these fabric bags, is the HTV applies so beautifully to them, and I love the fact that even though this is an Easter present for my nephews, there's no reason why they can't use as little library bags as they get older. So now that I've removed my transfer sheet, I like to give it another press. Again, same thing, no moving around, just lots of pressure downwards. Make sure it's not too long. And I know I've always got a nice adhesion when you can see the fabric through the HTV. So there's my finished bag for my nephew, and I am about to do a matching one for his twin brother. So here's the other bag all done, super fast. One thing I noticed when I was changing, taking the other bag off to do this one, is I forgot to tell you about the cutting mat, cutting board that I use in here. So this is a glass cutting board. It's got a smooth surface on this side and a rough surface on the other, and it's important to have a nice firm surface to press onto. I have some baking paper tucked in there, and yeah, so it's a nice hard surface, so I've got a beautiful firm spot here to make sure that my fabric is as flat as possible to give good adhesion with my HTV. So here's my finished bags for my nephews Alex and Charlie. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you would like to make something similar for grandkids, nieces, nephews, you can find the bags, the HTV, and even the weeding tool available at princessandpuddin.com. Thank you.